Welcome to Home Decorating Ideas. Today we are talking about the captivating world of landscaping plants, where each choice can transform your outdoor spaces into living art. Whether you are designing a serene garden retreat or a vibrant floral display, selecting the right plants is key to creating the landscape that is not only beautiful but also sustainable and functional. Before we dive into plant selection, it's essential to understand the environment of your garden. Consider factors like climate zone, soil type, sun exposure, and water availability. Let's start with trees, the backbone of most landscaping designs. Trees like maples, oaks, and cherry blossoms provide not only shade and privacy, but also dramatic visual impact. They anchor your garden design, so choose species that complement your climates and space availability. Shrubs from the middle layer of your landscape and are excellent for creating fullness and color. Evergreen shrubs like boxwood and holly offer year-round greenery. Utilize shrubs to create borders, define areas, or as focal points in your garden. Perennials are the gifts that keep on giving year after year. Choose varieties like hostas for shade or hostas for sun to add diversity in color and form. Planning perennial placements based on their bloom time can give your garden an ever-evolving appeal throughout the seasons. While perennials return yearly, annuals help you experiment with color and form as they needed to be replanted each season. Petunias, marigolds, and pansies are perfect for filling gaps and adding instant vibrancy to spots that need a little extra attention. With changing climate conditions, incorporating drought tolerant plants like lavender, sedum, or ornamental grasses can reduce your garden's water needs. These plants are not only hardy but also add modern aesthetics with their unique forms and textures. Native plants are a fantastic addition to any landscape because they are adapted to the local climate and often require less maintenance. They provide essential habitats and food sources for local wildlife, enhancing the ecological balance in your garden. Successful landscape use plant layering to create an engaging three-dimensional space. Start with taller trees at the back, add shrubs in the middle, and finish with lower ground covers and flowers in the front. This strategy draws the eye naturally through the space and makes the garden feel more lush and filled out. As you select plants for your landscaping, remember that each one can add character, color, and life to your garden. Use this guide to help you choose plants and bring joy for years to come. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more landscaping tips and tricks. Share your thoughts and your own plant choices in the comments below. Until next time, keep planting and transforming your outdoor spaces. Thank you.